It gives you nothing. Pulkit, I understand this is a generic research. There might be other things happening, other research. This is just to give it you a nutshell. So once you understand that these are the three activities that happens on social media, and this is how they generate returns. Maximum return is generated here, and then very minimal return. Only when you do conscious consumption. I'm repeating, there is a difference between conscious and subconscious consumption. Conscious consumption is when you decide something, you decide to learn something, you decide to attain knowledge about something, and then you're going to that channel and learning about that. That is conscious consumption, still good. But if you're just going with the flow, wherever the app is taking you, it's subconscious consumption, gives you nothing. Literally gives you nothing in return. So once you understand that this is something that you have to follow, then you would realize कि कैसे आपको social media को better utilize करना है. Now, is it okay till here? Do you want me to go to the next section? Type yes in the chat box. If you want me to go to the next section, please type yes in the chat box. Perfect. The platforms that we'll be, there are multiple platforms, okay? Many platforms. The platforms which we will be discussing today will be, of course, Instagram, YouTube, Fiverr, Upwork, Intern, Shala, and of course the gold mine that is called LinkedIn. These are the platforms that we'll discuss today. Okay. How to use them, to your benefit. The first thing when you open these platforms in mind should be the priority of activities, the utility of activities. अगर वो आपके mind में छपा हुआ है ना कि यार creation is what will give you benefit, engagement next, and consumption at the last, then you will actually gain a lot of things from this.